Vehicle's construction name. Dump truck. A dump truck, also known as a dumper truck, is a vehicle designed for transporting bulk material, such as sand, gravel, or demolition waste, for construction. It has a hydraulic system to lift the front of the bed, allowing the contents to be easily discharged at the desired location. Wheel loader. A wheel loader is a heavy equipment machine widely used in construction to load materials such as asphalt, demolition debris, dirt, snow, feed, gravel, logs, raw minerals, recycled material, rock, sand, and wood chips into or onto another type of machinery, such as a dump truck or conveyor belt. Tractor. A tractor is a powerful motor vehicle used in farming, for pulling or pushing agricultural machinery or trailers. Tractors are essential in various agricultural tasks, including plowing, planting, and harvesting crops. Backhoe. A backhoe, also known as a backhoe loader, is a versatile piece of heavy equipment. It has a digging bucket on the back and a loader bucket on the front, allowing it to perform digging and loading tasks. Backhoes are commonly used in construction, excavation, and landscaping projects. Crane. A crane is a large machine equipped with cables, hooks, or chains, used for lifting and moving heavy objects vertically and horizontally. Cranes come in various types, such as tower cranes, mobile cranes, and overhead cranes, each suited for specific applications in construction, manufacturing, or shipbuilding. Truck mixer. A truck mixer is a specialized vehicle designed to transport concrete from the batching plant to the construction site. It has a rotating drum on the back, which keeps the concrete mixture in a liquid state during transit. Upon arrival at the site, the drum rotates to discharge the concrete where it is needed. Bulldozer. A bulldozer is a powerful track tractor equipped with a large, broad metal blade at the front. It is primarily used for pushing substantial amounts of earth, soil, debris, or other materials during construction, road building, or land clearing projects. Drill excavator. A drill excavator is an excavating machine with specialized drilling attachments. It is used for drilling holes into the ground for various purposes, such as foundation piling, geotechnical exploration, mining exploration, or installing poles for structures like street lights or fences. Excavator. An excavator, also known as a digger or mechanical shovel, is a heavy construction machine consisting of a boom, bucket, dipper, and cab on a rotating platform, known as the house. Excavators are widely used for digging trenches, foundations, and holes. They can also handle tasks such as demolition, grading, and landscaping due to their versatility and maneuverability.